Alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the next chapter, that is construction. So the most important MCQs on construction, we can expect this type of question in the board examination. So the first question here is, to divide a line segment AB in ratio 5:7, first array AX is drawn so that BAX is an acute angle and that at equal distance point are marked on the ray AX such that the maximum numbers of these points is. Okay, so here the question is to divide. What is to divide a line segment AB? I'll just draw the line segment. To divide the line segment AB in the ratio 5:7, first array AX is drawn so that BAX should be acute. Okay, as they told in the question, we have drawn acute angle. Then at equal distance, the points are marked on AX. They are asking the points will be marked on AX. How many? Such that the maximum number of these points are. How we will mark the points on this ray? We know that we will mark the points on the ray. We will add the ratio 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 is nothing but 12. So 12 points we will mark on this ray AX. So the correct answer is D, 12. Okay, here the next question is, to divide a line segment AB in the ratio 4:7, array AX is drawn first such that BAX is an acute angle. Till here it is correct, same thing. Okay, but the ratio is 4:7 they have told. Okay, AX is acute angle, BAX is acute angle. The points A1, A2, A3 are located at equal distance. How many points? 4 plus 7 is nothing but 11 points. I'll draw the 11 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, like this 11 points we will mark. That is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11. Okay, last point is A11. So, what they are asking are located at equal distance on the ray AX. On a ray AX. Okay. And the point B is joined to. Point B will join to always last point, that is A11. Here the last point is A11. So the point will join to which point? A11. Okay. In this problem, the point will join to A11. Here, if the number is changed, for example, 3:5 comes. So, how many arcs it will come? 8 arcs. So, the point will join to A8. Numbers based on the numbers. Okay. You should understand the method here. So, the third question. To construct a pair of tangent to a circle at an angle of 60 degree. Okay. To each other, it is needed to draw tangent at end of those two radii of a circle. Then the angle between radii should be. Okay. To construct a pair of tangent to a circle at an angle of 60 degree. For example, this is the circle. To construct a tangent at an angle between tangent they have told is 60 degree. What they are asking, to draw the tangent at the end of two radii. What will be the angle between the radii? We know if the angle between the tangent is given, we always do what? 180 minus the given angle, that is 60 degree. 180 minus 60 degree is 120 degree. So, the angle between radii is nothing but 120 degree. So, the answer here is D, 120 degree. Okay. The next question. When a line segment is divided in the ratio 2:3, how many parts it is divided into? Okay. Line segment, how many parts it divides? 2 2:3 mean nothing but 2 plus 3, that is 5 parts. So D5 is a correct answer. Let us see this question now. In the given figure, the ratio in which the point P, okay, the point P divides the line segment AB is in which ratio so here in which ratio they are saying the line segment AB is divided. We can see here 1, 2, 3. 3 arcs. B is cut in A3. Then 3:1, 2, 3, 4. 3:4 part it is divided. 3:4 part it is divided. So B 3:4 is the correct answer. Okay. Not 4:3. First part it is divided 1, 2, 3. 3 then is to 4 parts. Okay. So the next question is 6th question. Let us see. By geometrical construction, is it possible to divide a line segment in the ratio? Having the ratio with this, is it possible to draw a line segment? They are asking. Let us check whether it is possible or not. First option, let us take √3:1/√3. √3 divide by 1/√3 is nothing but √3 into 1/√3 divide will become multiply if we reciprocal. √3 upon 1. Okay. √3 into √3 is √3 square upon 1. Square and root get cancelled. 3:1. Yes. With the first ratio, it is possible. Okay. 3:1. So, with the first ratio, it is possible. √3/√2. It is not possible. You can see second ratio is √3 upon 1 upon √2. So, √3 into √2 upon 1, that is √3 into √2, √6. It is not possible with the root. Here we didn't get root. Here third one √3/√2, which is again not possible, and the fourth also is not possible. So the correct option is option A. With the option A, it is possible to draw a line segment. Okay, let us see the question number 7 properly so that you can see this figure also. Okay. ABC is a constructed similar triangle to BDE. ABC is a constructed similar triangle to BDE. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. AB equals to 3 centimeter. BC is equals to 4 centimeter. This part is 3 centimeter and this part is 4 centimeter. So, if the corresponding sides of BDE is 5/2 times that of ABC. Okay. Ratio is 5/2 here. Okay. Then the length of BD and BE is length of BD. First length of BD we will find. BD is this whole side which is corresponds to BC. BD upon BC is equals to what ratio it is given? 5/2. We should keep 5/2 as it is. Now BD we need to find. We don't know BD. BD upon BC value it is given 4 is equals to 5/2. Okay. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Then BD is equals to BD into 1. 5 twos are 10. BD we got 10 centimeter. Now similarly we need to find one more BE. BE is this full okay. BE upon next corresponding side is AB is equals to what ratio? 5/2. We should take the ratio as it is. BE we don't know. AB 3 is equals to 5/2. We cannot cancel. We will cross multiply. That is 2 into BE is equals to 5 3s are 15. BE is equals to 15 by 2, that is nothing but 7.5. So the correct answer is 10 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter. That is option A is the correct answer. 10 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter. Let us see this question, which is again similar to previous question. A student constructed a triangle ABC with side AB 4 centimeter, BC 5 centimeter and AC 6 centimeter. Okay. And then constructed a triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC such that each of its sides are 3 by 2. 3 by 2 sides they have given, corresponding sides of triangle ABC. The length of AE and AD obtained by calculations are, okay, AE. Okay, first ratio is 3 by 2. Okay, AE we will take AE, full AE upon corresponding side of AE is AB. AB, what ratio? 3 by 2. AE as it is, we don't know. AB 4 is equals to 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So AE is equals to 3 twos are 6 centimeter. AE we got 6 centimeter. Similarly, now what they have told to find AD. Okay, AD upon corresponding sides. This is AD. So corresponding side of other triangle is AC. Is equals to what ratio given? 3 by 2. So AD as it is, AC value is 6 is equals to 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Okay. So AD into 1 is AD, 3 threes are 9 centimeter. So we got 6 centimeter and 9 centimeter. So the correct option is 6 centimeter and 9 centimeter. That is option B. The next question is question number 9. Here we have very less number of questions. This type of questions only they will ask regarding, they will show the figure and they will ask the ratio, or they will ask the how many maximum point can be drawn, or how, like this type just now I have done. That type of. Okay, this question is to divide a line segment PQ in the ratio m is to n, where m and n are the two positive integers. Draw a ray PX so that QPX is an acute angle. Same like previous problem. Now I'll show to divide a line segment PQ. Okay. Where m and n are ratio and are two positive integers. Draw a line PX. PX we have to draw, okay, which is QPX will be acute angle. They have told QPX is the acute angle, okay. Then the mark points on ray PX at equal distance, such that how we will mark the points on the ray PX. In which way? How? Because the ratio is m is to n. How we can mark? By adding the ratio only we have to mark, na? That is m plus n we have to do. So the answer for this is m plus n. Same answers with the different alphabet you can get P, Q, they may ask you. At that time you have to take P plus Q. So the correct option is m plus n. Okay. Here the next question. Again same type of question. This is the most important question they are repeatedly may ask here. But the ratio may numerator bigger or denominator smaller, whatever it is. Okay. With numerator bigger also they may ask, and numerator smaller also they may ask. So you have to be perfect in solving such type of problems. Okay. Let us see now. On constructing triangle ABC is similar to. ABC is similar to. Now here you can see the numerator is smaller and denominator is bigger. So triangle will come inside the triangle. Previous problem which we have done is numerator is bigger and denominator is smaller. This problem also numerator bigger, denominator smaller. Now in this problem you can see numerator is smaller and denominator is bigger. Okay. Now let us see. On constructing a triangle ABC similar to BDE. The ratio of the corresponding sides of triangle BDE are 3/5. Ratio is what? 3/5 times the corresponding sides of ABC. If AB is equals to full AB side is nothing but 5 centimeter and AC is 6 centimeter and BC full is nothing but 7 centimeter. Then the length of side BD and DE are. Okay. First ratio this BD we will take. BD. Okay. BD this. But full length of BD is what? Let us take BD by AB. Corresponding sides of one more triangle. BD by AB is equals to what there was? 3/5. Ratio 3 and 5. Okay. BD we don't know. AB is nothing but 5 centimeter. AB 5 centimeter is equals to 3/5. 5 get cancelled. So BD what length we got? 3 centimeter. Next they have told about DE. DE upon AC corresponding sides. DE upon AC is equals to 3/5. DE as it is, AC value is 6 is equals to 3/5. We cannot cancel this. 5 into DE is equals to 6 3s are 18. DE is equals to 18/5. How you will do 18/5? You directly cannot cancel. You can do like this. 5 3s are 15. 3 remains 0.056 are 30, that is 3.6 centimeter. So the correct option is 3 centimeter and 3.6 centimeter, that is 3 centimeter and 3.6 centimeter. So this type of question may get from construction chapter in your board exam. So in my next video I am going to start with the coordinate geometry, that is the next chapter. Do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.